guys, welcome back to the channel, or welcome if you're new here for today's fall clean and decorate part 3. So we're just jumping straight into today's video. And first, excuse my voice, my daughter ended up catching a cold at this new daycare gym that I've been taking her to, and of course she passed it on to me. So here I am sick and doing this voiceover. But the first thing that I'm doing is just creating an arrangement. If you watch part 1, I did something very similar to this. So I actually got this dough bowl on sale at Hobby Lobby. I snagged it when they had their spring decor 75% off. I told you guys that that's a huge tip that I have for you guys in my fall decor haul video. But actually, the day that I'm recording this voiceover, they went 90% off, and I didn't get to go because I'm sick. But anyway, I am creating the same thing for my console table with the dried florals and these beautiful leather pumpkins that I love from Hobby Lobby. We're going to be decorating the console table and as well as my bedroom today. Now going into decorating my upstairs console or console table, whatever. People are always correcting me the way I say things, but this large tinted vase is from Target. I got it on clearance. It's from the Threshold collection. And then these are from the Hearth and Hand collection. These year, I love these stems. I think they were $4.99 or $9.99. Yeah, probably $9.99, but I love them. All downstairs I've used dried florals, so changing it up here a bit and adding these beautiful red leaves along with some other stems that I got from Hobby Lobby.
But I'm still burning. Our love just went cold. Why? I keep on making the same mistake. I always let you back in when I begin to get myself together again. You are back once more, like everything's the same. I tried to build my walls up.
For the center, I'm just adding table books and then the little arrangement that I made. I'm also going to add some pumpkins. I try a few different pumpkins, but I ended up landing on 2 different white pumpkins. One that's kind of ceramic textured and it's from Hobby Lobby, and one that's fuzzy, and that one is from the Target Dollar Spot. And then I'm also going to be adding a fall throw that I also got from the Target Dollar Spot in my basket.
Story, our love just went cold, but I'm still burning. Our love just went cold. Why? I keep on making the same mistake. I always let you back in when I begin to get myself together again. You are back once more, like everything's the same. I tried to build my walls up, but you're taking them down. It's tearing me apart, I can't pretend. Now I have to get over you again. I have to get over you again.
Okay, you guys, now we're heading into the master bedroom, but first I did want to thank Freeprints for sponsoring today's video. Freeprints is an app that has millions of 5-star reviews. They're basically an app where you can take photos off your phone, which you know we have way too many, and then print them and get them delivered straight to your door. So first off, these photos are amazing quality. You can tell in my face I was in love. I chose Christmas photos because Christmas is coming up. You know, I'm a Christmas enthusiast and I want to replace all the photos around my house with Christmas photos. So I chose a matte finish. They have a couple of different finishes that you can choose from, such as matte and glossy. And guys, they're just amazing quality, and they were nice enough to give me a coupon code for you guys, 15 free prints plus free shipping, so you don't even have to take out your wallet and put in your credit card information, just so you guys could try them out. And they also offer 85 free prints a month and you just have to pay for shipping. So if you guys are interested in that, all the information will be down in my description. So thank you, Free Prints, for sponsoring this video. And now we're just going to clean up the bedroom and begin decorating in here.
You make me nervous. I think I might be hooked on you.
So here I'm starting off with changing my pillow covers to these double-sided pillow covers I got from Amazon. One side is suede, one side is fuzzy. At the end of it all, I ended up using the fuzzy side instead. And I'm gonna tell you guys right now, this is split up into 2 days because I totally gave up on decorating this room. It is my least favorite out of all of the areas that I decorated in my house, just because we recently did the makeover here and I just didn't know how everything was gonna go together with the new colors. I kind of built the bedroom based on the old colors, and I don't know. I don't know if it was just that I didn't add enough printed stuff in here, like everything was just solid colors, and I needed more, like maybe the pillow covers could have been like brown with florals on them, or I don't know what it is. There wasn't enough pattern, but it is my least favorite space. It did come out, I would say, nice, but it just didn't match the vibe of the rest of my house, and I don't know how I feel about that. But yeah, this is split up into 2 days. I am going to show you guys me messing around with the bed a little bit, which was actually the hardest part because I feel like the bed is the centerpiece and plays off of everything else. So I'm just making the bed with everything that I already had. I had this chunky knit throw from Target. And then I'm going to try to add a few different throws on here as well as pillows. Nothing ended up working, so then I just gave up and I finished decorating the next day, which you guys will see.
Talking to the night until the morning, building chemistry. I don't think I ever wanna go come closer next to me. Trying to find another way to say this, but I think we were meant to be. Oh, we were meant to be. Oh, we were meant to be. Oh, we were meant to be. So just sit with me, talking through the night until the morning, building chemistry. I don't think I ever wanna go come closer next to me. Trying to find another way to say this, but I think you were meant to be with me. Talking to the night until the morning, building chemistry. I don't think I ever wanna go.
So this is the last clip I'm going to show you from this day before I start changing everything around. I did something on my dresser with a vase from Hobby Lobby, some stems from Target, and a little fuzzy pumpkin from Target, but I ended up changing everything completely the next day. So now we're going straight to the next day, and I ended up doing my nightstands first just because I felt like once I did my nightstands, I could have a vision for my bed, which was giving me the biggest issue. So I had went back to the stores. I picked up this little bud vase from the Hearth and Hand line. It's kind of like a maroon brown color. And then I also picked up more florals because I was running low from Hobby Lobby. I got some dried florals and as well as those little mini rosettes that I've been using throughout the house. And I also stuck a little ceramic pumpkin from Hobby Lobby next to that.
You had to go away just to figure out who you are, and I'm in this.
This is probably my favorite area in the room. I love how this nightstand turned out because I love this bud vase from the Hearth and Hand line. It's like a little mini amber bud vase, and then these stems are just beautiful as well. They were $1.99 each, and I don't know what they're called. They kind of look like wheat to me, so I bought 3 of them. I stuck it in there, and then I also put a little white fuzzy pumpkins. Those fuzzy pumpkins like saved my life during my whole fall decorating. They're so cute and they add so much texture.
I guess we forgot about the way we could sit and talk all night.
So for my dresser, if you guys are wondering, we just haven't got a TV yet. We're waiting for TVs to go on sale, but I felt like it was too plain just with the neutral stem, so I added more color to that with the burgundy roses or mini roses. And then I went and got this big leather pumpkin from Hobby Lobby because I was just so in love with the smaller ones. And then this little tray is meant for, the hatch and the baby monitor because we do co-sleep, and as well for the controls when we do get our TV. So I just wanted to keep it simple and add this arrangement from Home Goods that has some pampas grass on it. For the bed, which I'm still not entirely crazy about how it came out, even though my husband is telling me it looks nice. I'm just so hard on myself, but I got this fuzzy throw from the Target Dollar Spot. I used it on my console table in the basket and other places throughout the house. Then that fuzzy brown pumpkin is from Home Goods. I didn't like the orange pumpkin that I was using in the first few clips. It gave me Ray Dunn vibes and whimsical vibes, and I just wasn't for it. I got this tray on clearance at Hobby Lobby again. It was part of their spring decor, and then I added another amber vase from Hobby Lobby as well. That was part of their fall decor, as well as some dried floral. I also am gonna stick a fuzzy pumpkin from Target in here, our Bible, one of our mini Bibles, and then I'm putting a little candle that I got from Home Goods on top of that, as well as some twinkly lights to add some coziness and ambiance to the space.
Hopeless to be holding on to you.
For my little bench area, I added a Farm Fresh autumn sign that I got from Hobby Lobby on top. It was the only piece of wall decor that I had left over, and then I added back the pillows that I already had with a throw from Home Goods that I got. That is kind of why I think the bedroom didn't come out as I wish, because I was kind of using my leftover decor. It was the last room that I decorated in my house, and so, as many of you guys know, I started my fall collection from scratch this year because this is the first year I was able to decorate for fall, because just so many things happened the first two falls I was in my own home. So, yeah, I was using all my leftover decor and it just wasn't hitting. I don't know, you guys. Let me know what you guys think about this bench area. I was debating on even leaving this clip in there, but overall, I think it's cute. It's just not my style, if that makes sense. Anyways, the last thing I added to this area is this. I do love this knitted pumpkin that I got from Home Goods or Marshall's, one of them. Anyways, you guys, I'm about to roll some end clips, so thank you guys so much for watching. If you watched until now, make sure that if you enjoy it, you hit that red subscribe button, because I do have one more fall decorating video coming up for you guys, and then the fall tours and fall night routines and all that cozy stuff. So I love you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one, God willing, as always.